Hey birdies, I'm still here reacting to Mr. Miyagi and Andy Panda themselves. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. So guys, I'm here to listen to Mr. Miyagi and the Panda and featuring TumaniYO. This is the Brooklyn song. So obviously, as I said before, I will only be playing the audio, not the video, because I didn't want YouTube to come and block me. So I'm curious to see what it's gonna do. Most likely, they probably have like Biggie in there somewhere. Oh, there he goes. Brooklyn.
Damn.
Come on, Andy. This is so funny too. I'm like bouncing my head to it. I don't have no problem with rap music. I totally clap to rap music because I think rapping is something that is kind of hard to do because not everyone can do it. You may sell an aesthetic or sell a a likable song for today, but to do hip hop, to do rapping, I think it's something that's very hard, and I've always fascinated to watch them. And I'm just getting into rapping or hip hop in general, not separate from hip hop infused with pop in there, make it more popish. But I'm getting into there, and the only person I could think of right now is like Jay-Z. I could listen to his whole 444 album. I could listen to that back to back. So, and that was a big thing for me. Big thing for me. Same thing with Nicki Minaj. Those all her albums. But Ganja, her new Queen album, I could listen to that back to back. Pink Friday, I could listen to that back to back. But Jay-Z is like a male rapper that I could think about, whose album I could listen to was 444. I listened to that whole album back to back. And then to sit here and, other people's giving recommendation, especially someone from Russia who's a rapper, it's mind blowing to me. It is mind blowing to me. I would never thought. Booby. Сам себе бог тут наоборот. Клубы не про нас, мы другие, нас это не прет. Собираемся на хате, чилим от других подальше. Если хочешь ближе, тебя схапают черные пасти. Быстро как ебучий волк. Сколько не ищем, самый редкий сорт. На пути встают пресловутые на гриме. Отжимай на связи, если вы просили. Come on, Miyagi. Oh, that's Tumi. В этих делах крошатся головы, греются колбы. Я вышел из комнаты, чтобы тебе напомнить, то тут у Майка улица Вейка. Черная магия моя сломала Фейда. Все самопально, звук из подвала. Этим закалялась и теперь рубит наша катана. Панда поддал саунда, классика жанра. В городе ветров, снизов, это мой Чикаго. Oh, that's cool. Вырастил микрорайон, и теперь он целится за горизонт и за картон. Далеко за пределами всяких дешевых контор. Мой саппорт и опора, плечи своих пацанов. Береги корпус от баса, он рвет монитор как картон. Свои степи с гор, будто с Бруклина в Комптон. If you're scared, shut the fuck up, man. If you're scared, no fear, no lay. Listen, my rhythm, hands up, I talk about the legal aid. If you're scared, shut the fuck up, man. If you're scared, no fear, no lay. Listen, my rhythm, hands up, I talk about the legal aid. If you're scared, shut the fuck up. Is that an actual neighborhood in Brooklyn? If you're scared. Okay, that was actually a very good song, easy to follow. I really don't know how to depict or criticize too much in rapping, but I like the flow of it. It's very soothing. The air. This is something I can listen to. This is very good. I really do like Mr. Miyagi and the Panda. I like their style. I really do like their style of how they do their songs. Like all the songs I've listened to so far, I really do like it. I like it. I really do like it. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. So I was looking to you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.